How to change name on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Arkis and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your name on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, head over to your profile on the bottom right corner. After you do that, there you will see an option to edit profile. Tap on edit profile, and after you tap on it, you'll see the name option. Tap on name, and after you do that, there you will see your name. Under there, you will also notice a little warning that says your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. So make sure that you change it once only 7 days, and make sure that you keep a good name that which you do not want to change, because if you keep a bad name you cannot change it until the 7 days pass. So just change your nickname here. So let's say I want to change this to something like whatever. I'll just type in whatever and tap on save. After tapping on save, it will give me a confirmation which says that you can change your name once every 7 days. So I'll tap on confirm, and there we go. And that's how you change your name on TikTok. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.